Runs like a new one, Alex.
There's only one guy that can drive it, it's you, right? Fastest old as me.
Yeah.
There you go.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Hey, Ben.
We all chipped in.
Kara.
You can drive it in the parade!
Hey, how are you?
Good! You want to hop on your tractor? Tractor!
Good, how are you, man? Good to see you. You too.
Well, you gotta put the decals on.
That is awesome.
Oh,
Remember how to run it?
no, it's mine. You got a hand clutch on it. It doesn't have a hand clutch. Hand brakes. Hand brakes. They're going to stop. You get hard to hold on the steering. My father-in-law's got F-20. No one to say. I remember that. He's a different guy.
That's gonna be you, Birdie.
The farm has been stored at for 10 years.
The fact that Ted has my tractor.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
That's it.
This is yours. This is yours.
I didn't even know.
I noticed so much shit with this thing. Parking on the front, I didn't know what to do. Oh, God's sake. Beautiful. You're going to drive it in the parade, don't you? Drive around the lawn. Oh, shit.
We're going to put a belly blower on it so you have to take the damn off the ball.
Hey, you guys don't get it.
I still gotta get it.
Your tractor house.
This is your tractor.
This is the one that Grandpa had.
This is yours. This is the original. This is your tractor. This is it.
Go get the ambulance, she's going to need a heart.
Yeah, we don't have to.
Hey, let's go get out of here. We're going to have to build a shed.
That's
Big enough hole to put me in with this.
with a loader.
We ain't.
With a loader on the front, building a little shed.
Hey, I still need you guys to wish them
Thank you,
happy
everybody.
birthday on this, okay?
Happy birthday, Grandma.
No, hang on. Let me get one really quick. What do you want to say to your grandpa? Let me zoom in. What do you want to say to your grandpa on his birthday?
I don't even remember. Hey, where's reverse? Is it up here?
Forward. Greg, teach him how it works.
Otherwise, this will be parked in our yard.
That drove it in?
Jenny's brother, Greg.
And his wife is obviously side by Jenny.
I have to send him a couple. I'm like, you know, these things happen. It's okay.
Yeah.
Minor. Hey, start this son of a gun up. I'm going to drive it around.
What?
Paint it up and stuff. You got it running.
You can do that. Maybe that's your side business. Did you hear what Gina was saying about her cleaning company? That she doesn't hire anyone because they won't do the same quality that she does? Oh, I wonder what that sounds like.
That's right. Gosh, I'm going to drive this thing around.
Don't we have to start it first?
It's a crank. It's a crank.
Hey,
That
that son of a gun was kicking me.
Hey, you had too much to drink to go cultivating.
Be careful. Don't let it kick you.
Watch out, everybody.
Back up. Hey.
tube so Trey could see it.
Rubbed into his building there. Forgot about the handbrake. It's like the old days.
Look at him go.
Mine will just leave it up here, go drive around the house. Good therapy for you.
He's gonna have to plow the grass up here.
He's still out here doing hot laps.
You guys might be growing sweet corn.
Bring it on in the field.